It's not a very complicated visit to do it.
The fire's like just a mess.
I've got 340 megapixels. Yeah, this is what we're going to rob everyone's houses.
Yeah, let's rob everyone's houses right over. Oh, we've got a few viewers and that.
You went down the bridge. You went down the bridge. Oh. Just say, we'll rob everyone's leaves. It's got to be bloody strong.
You don't hide from us at night. Take back the moon. The moon's the other side.
I ain't got a better answer. I mean, I'm getting tired of shit.
I'm doing this.
Stay there. I'll put you as credit as camera stand.
Mind if I do it?
Email it to me.
Now another one's gone. Gone, another one.
I'm going to have to go and edit it next tonight.
Are you getting real?
No. I think it's screaming stuff. I just put you shouting at me.
Who wants Christmas marshmallows?
That's the magnesium glass. I've got to take me outside. I can't film over 10 minutes like YouTube's limit. 10 minutes 60 or something.
Just do, well, actually, Carl.
Become a member or partner or something weird like that.
Or you can just glitch. There's a way to, hey, Carl, there's a way to get over 20 minutes maximum just by being a normal member.
There's ways to get up to an hour just actually, you can't see it because you're looking at your camera. Hey, you're looking at your camera. Don't look at it.
Holy crap.
Mine's good, but this doesn't go to save. No, it doesn't save it. You still have to try to save it. Then it goes, you've got to put it in the memory. I'm not going to put my memory card.
Oh, it's coming together.
Is that it?
What sounds like calling?
The Germans are coming. The Germans are coming. Got me on.
I hope we're in hot like this. There it is.
Who's got me time?
I hope Michelle likes it.
Yeah, you'll be playing credits for the camera. Why doesn't Steve have his Mac Mini yet?
That one broke down ionosphere. The really big one.
I know, it's well annoying.
That was an explosion. And the sound barrier. With colour. How long are you going to film this for?
6 minutes.
I think I'm going to
How long have you?
I've got 90 more minutes.